If you guys keep up with all the beater box episodes, you guys know that last beater box was not very good. It wasn't well received. A lot of people felt like we didn't get the value of what we paid for in that box, or that it was just like missing one shoe. That was an $1,100 box. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it up somewhere up here. But the thing is, if you guys are new to the series, beater boxes are not supposed to be like 100% like, you know, amazing every single time. It just doesn't work like that. You can compare it to like when you're opening up Pokemon cards. I know this is kind of dating myself, but when you used to open up Pokemon cards and stuff, not every pack was a banger. It was like, okay, you have a good one here, you have a good one here, and then like 5 duds, you know, after that. So that's kind of how I see these things. It's always a game of luck, but you're supposed to make the value of the box like eventually in time. So let's just try to stick with it, and hopefully, this box will be a lot better, because this one is $1,525, $1,525. So yeah, if you guys want to see a $1,525 beater box, stay tuned, because that will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. This video is a beater box video. You guys know what the beater boxes are, man. Mystery sneaker unboxings. And this is gonna be a big one. It's a $1,525 box. Hopefully we see some good shoes. Hopefully we make some great profit on this one. Got a lot of making up to do from that last box, so hopefully that extra shoe that we were missing or whatever will be in this one, because we need it. Before we get into that though, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is one of our weekly sponsors, and the reason why I've been with Rose Gold and Black for so long is just because I really love the products, guys. I keep getting like different necklaces and stuff, and I swear I wear them like all the time. The big one that I used to wear all the time that you guys saw was like that black wing necklace, but I recently found out that they also have like these silver necklaces, which are just very dope. I'll put it up on screen over here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see with this lighting that I have, but yeah, it is a really nice piece. And against like black shirts and stuff, which my entire wardrobe is basically all black. And I feel like that's the same for you guys. It works a lot better than you can see like this grenade necklace that just, it kind of gets lost on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whereas this one pops a little bit better. So that's the difference that I like with that. And there's a whole bunch of options. They don't only have necklaces, they also have like bracelets and other things like that as well. So just a very nice selection of accessories for you guys when you guys are trying to like pair stuff with your nice kicks or your hypebeast clothing and stuff. It's just, it works really well. Anyway, if you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black, I highly recommend you guys go to the description below. Click on that link. It will take you to RGB, where you will get 25% off your order. Definitely a good investment, guys. I mean, for the price, you just can't beat it, right? Thank you again to RGB. Let's get into this beater box. So really quick, if you guys are new to the channel, these beater boxes do come from SoulSupremacy.com. Soul Supremacy is a sneaker shop that specializes in selling shoes and also these beater boxes. You can't buy beater boxes without a membership, and right now memberships are closed. Soul Supremacy hasn't released new memberships in kind of a while, so I would assume it has to be coming soon. But the best thing to do is probably follow their Twitter, because that's literally where I've seen every single announcement for membership drop. So go over there, well worth it in my opinion. I wouldn't be doing these if I wasn't making money. All right, so let's open it up and see what we got. There's a lot of Yeezys in here. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, man. There's a lot of Yeezy boxes though. All right, so the first shoes out of the box that we have are a pair of Jordan 4 royalties. Overall, solid shoe. If you guys have been paying attention to like resale and stuff, these in dead stock condition shot up in price, man. At one point, these were going for like $30 or $40 under retail because nobody was buying them. They're sitting on shelves, and now they're going for a lot of money. And because I feel like it's just a very clean design, like look at that. It was like really hyped pre-release, then people saw no resale value, so they said, no, I'm not about it. But now it came back. So that's the thing with shoes. You just got to keep track of the market, because you never know. Things like this, check those dead stock prices, man. All right, so we got one more shoe without a box in here. This is a pair of Jordan 10 OVOs. This one is in the size 10.5, so my size again. Uh-oh, this is getting dangerous. I don't know how you guys feel about this one. I mean, it is a really nice piece, but I don't know. Drake leaves a lot to be desired in his sneakers, I feel like. Hopefully, he starts ramping it up with Nike, because I feel like they have a gold mine on Drake, but they're just not utilizing him in the way that he should be. I mean, you look at Adidas pushing Kanye, it worked so well, but Drake's made like, I think 3 signature shoes so far, so hopefully that changes, man. I mean, there's a lot of potential there. All right, so now we're getting to the shoes with boxes. This one is a Air Force One 2007 Rockefeller in a size 14. This is a kind of small box for a size 14. I can't fit a size 14, so these will be up on the web store. Not really big on this design just because it's a little bit too plain. But again, for Air Force Ones, it's not like you're looking for something over the top anyway. Just a clean design. Yeah, with the box. So if you guys want this, check out the web store. Link in the description below. Nothing super hyped yet. There's a lot of Yeezys though, like I said. This one is a Nike Sock Dart Tech Fleece. Size 11. I heard that they are very comfortable though, so that is a plus, but I could just never get over this strap thing. It was just not for me, man. So yeah, the value over here is probably not very high. Sock darts typically aren't very hyped. So because of that, the value gets affected and it's a lot lower than it should be. All right, this one is a Vapor Max Flyknit 2 and a size 9. Not much to say there, man. It is used, but it is what it is. I mean, you could probably find these at like Foot Locker right now. Underwhelming for a $1,525 box. So far, every shoe in a box hasn't been hyped at all. Some value for the Jordan 4 royalty, some value for the Jordan 10 OVO. Check this out, this is gonna be weird. Yeezy box. Yeezy box. You guessed it. Yeezy box. Look at how many Yeezys we got. 3 Yeezys in one 1525 box. And what is even more interesting is, oh please don't fall, is we got one of each. 350, 500, and the 700. So I don't know, guys, let's take a look and see what we got, because this is really weird. Like, I don't get it. Hopefully we got the hyped ones, because yeah, those 5s and 700s not typically good for resale. I gotta figure out how to put this down now without, oh, okay. So we'll start with the 700 first. This one is in a size 10. What do we got here? These are the OG Wave Runner 700s. This one being the one that gets more value, so that's nice. It is in used condition though, so yeah, not as high as the dead stocks, which I think are going for like 400 bucks now. So that's a pretty decent amount, guys, for especially for this thing that I can't get behind this, man. I know a lot of people love this 700 Wave Runner design, but I just can't do it. It's not, I can't do it. That should be at least 300 bucks, I want to say, on the counter. So yeah, decent value there. Next up, we got the Yeezy 500 box. This one is also in a size 10. Ugh. So what's funny about this is that I was never big into the 500s when they first announced. Thought they were really ugly shoes, but then over time I just started to get like really behind it, and I wear this one a lot, like especially to work and stuff, so it grew on me for sure. But you guys can see over here, there are no markings or anything on this shoe that like make it really bad. Bottoms are dirtied, but other than that, there's no damage or anything like significantly bad about it. If you guys see those like small sizes for this color in particular, the blushes, they're going for like 700 bucks for the size 4s and like 5s and 6s. So, I mean, we're kind of rolling. Yeezys always have value, that's the thing. So it's not bad when you see them in a box, but the hype is definitely not as where it used to be. Okay, and the one with the best potential is the Yeezy 350 box, because I don't know, there are a lot more options in there. This one is in a size 9 though. And we got another pair of the Beluga 2.0s. Beluga 1.0s, I mean, you guys know what it is. But yeah, another pair of Belugas. It's not a bad shoe, but as you guys saw in the last video, the value isn't as where it used to be. Like, it was really, really high at one point. It dropped dramatically. You guys can see on the bottoms over here as well, pretty dirtied up. Boost is not super worn, it looks like, but it's just very blackened. Nice. This one does come with the receipt as well, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, if you guys do need a pair of Belugas, this one is pretty clean. Uppers are like super immaculate actually, so check that out on the web store as well. And we got one box left. Hopefully this is the money shoe of the box. I left it because it is my favorite type of shoe. It is the Jordan 1. This one is in a size 10. Ooh, okay. I recognize that colorway name. Yes. All right, so we got a pair of Jordan 1 shattered backboards, guys. Definitely the money shoe of the box. And just look at that leather, man. Jordan 1 shattered backboards is known for its leather quality and just quality in general, and honestly it does live up to the hype in my opinion. These shoes go for a lot of money, so yeah, this is a great boost of value on the counter, I am sure. Other shoe looks great too, no markings or anything like that. You guys can see the price counter over here. I don't see it until the very end, so I have no idea. Just between this and the 3 Yeezys, I'm sure that should be close or a little bit over than the value of the box. So yeah, we got a whole bunch of other shoes that we're gonna have to move to make actual profit. But again, I have no problems with it because I know everything will move. If I have to give the box a grade, maybe like a B. Definitely no bangers or like super like hyped items in here, but that's okay. Sometimes quality or like, you know, middle of the pack stuff is better. Anyway, go to the comments below and let me know what you guys think about this box, because I love hearing you guys' opinions. And you guys had a lot to say about that last box. So go ahead, go down in the comments, let me know how you guys feel about this one. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you guys are not subbed to the channel already, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.